Now you listen another part of it. You can you are supposed to edit it. If there's anything which is unnecessary, so cut it out, and then you have to put the initial part, and so it will be just like that. Rather, I will appreciate if you some of that you can do the beautification, or you can have a better effect whatever we have done, and then it has to be uploaded on the Crime Free Bharat portal. Okay. So whenever you need that uploading, I will share that OTP, because you will be requiring that OTP and those details, though they are already with the Sirisha ma'am, but whatever the detail. And one thing you have to understand that feel free when you are doing something for me. You cannot really be, you cannot expect me that I will be all the time will be doing or will be looking at the messages. So feel free to call me, because I may not see your message, because I may be busy. Say, now you presume that I am in a video conference with someone. I am not available. I am not looking on any message, right? So then the only way that before starting any process, you talk to me, sir, I am doing this. When I give you the permission, then you do that, and you not only the message, or you should telephone also, so that the process should not get delayed or vitiated. Because sometimes if you are delaying it, the Google may block you. Then probably your problem will be, you will be having problem for the longer duration, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's
Google has actually been blocked.
Yeah.
Sir, Google has blocked the login for some hours. So I think we need to try tomorrow, like after today, mostly.
Okay, no issue. It can be done tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
this is the a not very publicized streaming and channel which I have shared with you. I am having many such streaming in panel with me, and I have deliberately created those panels for some purpose basically. But all product has to go and finally go on to the Crime Free Bharat channel. And
Yes.
I wish whatever we are discussing, let the world should listen it.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we do not want to make anything secret, and we want to develop the personality of our students also. They should have the confidence. They should say that whatever they are saying on camera, and it is being recorded, and it is going to be on the live channel. Or if somebody by chance could really find out this channel, because we are not advertising it, so even they can see it live also. Or moreover, what you can do, if you feel that other students should also see, you can share this link with them.
Yes.
Not of the streaming it. You can share the link of channel. Okay, they can go for that traffic management for Crime Free Bharat. That they can see. I mean, that kind of the thing. So that other groups, they may be benefited by watching this conversation on YouTube without waiting for when it will be uploaded on the Crime Free Bharat.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And when it will be uploaded on Crime Free Bharat, it will be having that initial video clips and end video clips, and those kind of the effect would be created. And rather, I would like you that let there be some value addition by KMIT. So your videos should look different than general videos, right?
Yes, sir.
Basically, but you have to put the logo is the same, and basically logo is also having at the bottom, which is not coming. It is now it is a registered trademark. So its the full name is MSG's Crime Free Bharat. So you can put below that the tiger and masals at the bottom. You can write MSG's apostrophe S Crime Free Bharat. At least around Crime Free Bharat. I mean, that is the full form. So MSG's Crime Free Bharat.
Yes,
and on the top somewhere you can even put the TM mark also. Right?
Okay, sir.
Then another thing which we have standardized, that is a photo map of India along with my photograph in uniform. Right?
Yes.
Some जादूगर has done something and he sent it कि सर ये आप अपने इसमें डाल दीजिए, वो हम आपके लिए किए हुए हैं. So that flag, national flag that Vinod Gupta has sent. So I leave it up to you. Some special effect you can create your own. Let it be your institute should have its own stem in that. So stem means not the name of your KMIT, but your own creativity.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Because that name will not come, right? Name of the institute will not come. Let it be. I mean, that anonymity should be maintained so that nobody should be in position to directly approach you, right? That's the purpose of it. But at the same time, we want whatever we are saying, let it be in public domain. Let the public should know what we are thinking, how we are achieving, how will we making the life different for them. And our journey will be making the life very different for everyone in time to come. I was just, in a lighter way, let me add, I was just sharing with one legal student. I was saying that whole community would be, through the community app, would be given the power of traffic challan. And now all the challans, they are having say penalty 2,000 or more. And if a person, if he presses a button and he captures evidence, he will be getting 1,000 rupees. And government will be getting 1,000 rupees, right? Now let's say that we are talking of the minimum compounding fees. Let's presume that all 130 crore people presses only button once in a day. Do you know how much revenue will be generated? Can you imagine कितनी एनर्जी रेवेन्यू होगा एक बटन दबाने की? 1,30,000 crore. That kind of the revenue would be created for the government for one button. यदि सब लोगों ने 10 बटन दबा दिए, तो it will be 10 times. That will be a mind-boggling revenue which will be coming for the government for its development work. It will be changing the rule of the rules. It will be transforming the way we look at the things. It will be basically making us more rule compliant. And then what we will be doing, we will be, since we are getting a lot of money, so we will be going refining the infrastructure available so that we would be in position to capture those violations which are not presently possible because the infrastructure are not permitting it. जैसे पूरे जगह पे हम जो है ना सफेद लाइन लगा डाल देंगे, हम जो है जहाँ पे आपका चौराहा है वहाँ पर इंटर व्हीकल डिस्टेंस कितना होना चाहिए उस पे हम लाइन डाल देते हैं. The system will immediately capture that whenever you are coming to the shorter distance, right? And it is not only question of the violation of the traffic; it will be saving lot of your petrol, your POL, because then simultaneously all the vehicles they can move. At present, there is a time lag of the 30 seconds to 45 seconds, sometimes even a minute, because everybody is just came so closer. They have to wait the movement of the first vehicle, then they only can move. Now, those kind of the finer things at present is just not even thinkable. We would be transforming the way we think, transform the way we react. It will be transforming this nation. बच्चों आप ये फील कर पा रहे हो या नहीं कर पा रहे हो?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
feel the thing
Yes,
which I am
sir.
saying? Oh, some Kausal Parmar is seeing and he is saying something. What he is saying? Sir, will be there any bounty hunting to find the loopholes in the back end? Oh, you are welcome to do that, and then you give the details to us, we will plug it. But don't forget that we would be prosecuting the person if they are not taking the prior consent. Because the person who is lodging false FIR, we are prosecuting them also 182 and 211. So if somebody is doing this kind of the things, we will treat it as a cyber crime. The system will immediately capture and will butcher that person. But if he is doing as a bona fide person to help us out, then you are welcome to do that. But you have to discuss and come back to us so that there should not be any this kind of the problem. Otherwise, you should be afraid that you will be prosecuted. And in time to come, if you are playing with our system, we are coming out with very stringent law, which is having minimum punishment of 7 years with a very difficult bail provisions. So be ready to go behind the bar for 7 years. No sensible person would like to do that. I am very sure our technocrats, they are with the bubbling with the ideas and energy. They would not like to ruin their career. They would not like to ruin their life. They would not like to basically put their parents in a very embarrassing situation by doing any of such activity and landing themselves in jail. I think, Mr. Parmar, have I answered you? If you have something else, admin panel, admin may please put the further remark if he has put any additional remark. How we are helping ourselves. Oh, you have to come out well in advance that these are my capabilities and this is my technical capacity. In this way, I can help you out. So if you have somebody has heard my earlier general talk, I very elaborated on this point that ethical hacker and those kind of the terminology we don't tolerate at Maithili Saran Gopt. It's not tolerable to me. But anybody who is having the technical knowledge want to come for help, they are most welcome. But they have to come and say, sir, I want to help you out, and we will take their help in a very bona fide way. But it is my humble suggestion, don't dare to do any nonsense at your end, because backend technology is so powerful. We are putting n number of the cyber security tools which will be creating, which will be capturing your identity. And in future, even we are having eye to change the protocol, the way the internet is acting. So in future, because we understand now India is a might, whosoever want to talk to India or Indians, it is their problem, not my problem. So if their problem, then we can have a very strict sense of the protocol, because earlier protocol, they have been designed only for the nice people. Now there are a lot many badmas, those who are acting on that and some of the such kind of the criminal people or the people those who are having the negative thinking, they are sitting on the other side of the fence somewhere in other enemy countries. So we will be having very strong protocol for especially for the enemy countries, and the protocol will identify your location and all those kind of the things. Nothing will be hidden. We will not. Our database will have all the details whosoever is interacting with us. So if you are committing any crime, we need not to go and request you to give the details. The details will already be available with us. Mr. Parmar, I hope I made the things clear to you. And even in panel, if you student want to add something, or even if they want to contradict me. Do you want to contradict me?
No, sir. No, sir.
Namira?
No, sir, I don't want to contradict you.
Trishul?
No, sir, nothing to contradict with your point.
Okay, so it means we are all in agreement. And are you in position to really appreciate the economics I have explained to you? Is it not mind-boggling?
Yes, sir.
Dynamic
steps, sir.
So now you think of a worker. He slog whole day and he earns 300, 350 or maybe 500 rupees. Say in a metropolitan, probably they might be getting little higher wages, and so the expenditure is. But if they press a button, he will get 1,000 rupees. So many of them, they would like to slog more for pressing button and earn many thousand rupees in a day rather than earning 350 rupees. And let me tell you, don't treat anybody illiterate. They understand economics much better than us. A little training, and we will be creating a lot of any training videos for them. So they will be making a lot of money. And we are saying that each 130 crore people will be getting 3 revenue streams. First revenue stream will come from Chalani Karwai, that is compounding. And we will try to extend it beyond even traffic. So wherever is the compounding provisions are available, we will extend that how we can take the help of the community in prosecuting. So even for adulteration, we will devise the legal processes, because once let me freeze first our criminal activity, then we will extend ourselves in the other domain also, and we will try to help out the public to get the revenue stream from there also. And without change in any law, we will create the technology within the same legal framework. The second revenue will be coming by providing pure criminal information, which will be giving to the community volunteers and observer as a task. And based on that quality of their task report, they will get promotion vouchers. So that is the second revenue stream. And third revenue stream we will be giving by helping in their professional area. और हम उनको हर व्यक्ति की मदद करेंगे, चाहे वो पटरी वाला हो, चाहे रेवड़ी वाला हो, चाहे ड्राइवर हो. तो यदि कोई टैक्सी चलाना चाहता है, उसको टैक्सी नहीं मिल रही है, तो अवर ऐप विल हेल्प हिम टू गेट दैट टैक्सी. यदि जो है ना उसको हाथ ठेला नहीं मिल रहा है, तो हम हाथ ठेला देंगे. यदि किसान को बीज नहीं है तो बीज देंगे. किसी को फर्टिलाइजर चाहिए तो फर्टिलाइजर देंगे. किसी को जो है ना मशीन, इक्विपमेंट, ट्रैक्टर, ट्रॉली चाहिए तो वो देंगे. एंड इट विल बी एंड टू एंड. वी विल मॉनिटर कि उस किसान का काम हो गया है कि नहीं हो गया है. एंड देन जो है we will be always on the watch कि without he is making request, we will be there to help him out. Hey, you need this. That kind of the, so it is something like a God. God is, कहते हैं दुनिया, God को सब मालूम होता है, तो ऐसे हमको सब मालूम होगा. We will be there whenever you need our help. बच्चों, ये जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, technologically you are handling it. Do you feel it is doable?
Yes, sir. I have a question for you.
Yes.
Do you not think that somewhere in the future it can become a passive profession for people? कि लोग जाएंगे और पैसे कमाने निकलेंगे, तो फिर 2-3 हज़ार रुपए तो एक क्लिक से ही निकल जाएगा. Are you able to?
लोग ज्यादा कमाएंगे, इसमें हमारे पेट में क्यों दर्द होना चाहिए? जितना लोग कमाएंगे उतना ही सरकार भी कमाएगी. So more fund will be available for your development also, for your infrastructure also. हमारा growth rate will जो है ना go for the 25% and 50%. So पहले 2-3% और 4% को इंडियन ग्रोथ रेट कहा जाता था, आगे चल के 50% को इंडियन ग्रोथ रेट कहा जाएगा. और हमारे सब लोग जो है वो ज्यादा पैसा कमाए, तो अपन लोग के पेट में दर्द होना चाहिए क्या? नहीं होना चाहिए ना. Any other question?
No, sir, nothing.
Okay. So, with your permission, should we close our conversation?
Sir, I would like to thank you for your time and your feedback, sir.
So,
Okay.
thanks for
So,
the
I really enjoyed conversation with you people, and I hope that you have understood everything. It is a great journey we will accomplish, and by doing so, we will be changing the face and fate of our country. Let's take a place. We will do it. Jai Hind.
Yes, sir.
Jai Bharat.
Jai
Jai
Hind,
Hind.
sir.
Jai Bharat.